Good morning, ma'am. This is Chandana from third CSE A section. Today I am going to explain about natural language processing language models, information extraction from the subject artificial intelligence and systems. Here I am going to explain about natural language processing, which is meant by language models and information extraction, unlocking insights from the world's data text through the advanced data capabilities. Here, first of all, I'm going to explain about what is natural processing language. Means definition for this is NPL is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. The main goal of the natural language processing is to make machines capable of reading, understanding, and responding to the text or speech like humans do. For this, some of the applications are chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini, next machine translation, sentiment analysis, speech recognition, text summarization, information extraction are the applications for this natural language processing. Next, in this slide, I'm going to explain about language models, which is the heart of the natural language processing. First of all, definition for this language models are a language model is an algorithm that learns patterns and structure of a language to predict or generate a text. In these language models, there are few types like statistical language model, neutral language models, uh, statistical language, which is traditional model, and neutral model is a modern language model. In this, there are some models like early statistical model, transformer resolution, generative AI, era, like that. In statistical language model, based on the probabilities, it can be solved. Example, predicts the next word based on the previous words, which is means to like, if I write, I like to eat means generally we say apples. I like to eat apples. We'll guess the next word as apple. Next, neutral language model, which is a modern language model. Based on the deep learning, it can be solved. Capture long range independencies and context better. Some of the popular neutral languages are also most famous in this model, like RNN, which is meant by recurrent neutral language, LSTM, long short term memory, and GRU, gated recurred unit transformer. And examples are um, these can be solved by understanding some questions, generating some human like text, and summarize or translate data. This is the most famous in the language models. So these are the heart and soul of the NLP. Here is the diagram. The attention mechanism is how the transformers capture context. The transformer can't capture context over extremely sequence by dynamically weighting the importance of the different words relative to each other, improve and accuracy. Next, this is the information extraction, which is turning text into structured data. In this, information extraction is a process of automatically extracting structured information from unstructured text. First of all, main goal of this information extraction is turn unstructured text into structured data, which is unstructured text means sentences, articles are turned in the form of structured data, which is meant by tables, databases, etc. First of all, there are some tasks in this information extraction. First of all, one by one, I'll continue this. First of all, task one is named identity recognition. In this, identifying names of the people, places, organization, etc. For example, Obama was born in Hawaii. First of all, here Name of the person is Obama and the location is Hawaii. They recognize that Obama as and Hawaii as location. And next, relation extraction. It finds the relationships between entities. Means Obama was born in Hawaii. Relation between Obama and Hawaii is its birthplace. Means Obama is born in Hawaii. The relation between Hawaii and Obama is Hawaii is its birthplace. It recognizes that relation. Event extraction. Extraction means detects the events and participants. Um, a protest was held in Delhi on Monday. Event is protest. Location Delhi. Date here. She's the event was completed on Monday. It represents the event extraction. Conference resolution identify when two words refer to the same entity. Means Chandana loves her. She takes it for walk. She it here. She refers to Chandana. So, here the Chandana means the relation between Chandana and she is coherence resolution. Next, core IE means information extraction. For the structured insight, before I explain that name entity recognition, relation extraction, extraction, and coherence resolution. The name entity was I said Obama was born in Hawaii. Relation means Hawaii and Obama, his birthplace. Event extraction. Event extraction means a protest was done in Delhi on Monday. Event extraction and coherence means Chandana. She likes her very much and she takes it for walk. The relation between Chandana and she. Next, resolution of extraction deep learning. Um, Rules-based manual patterns and retreats, traditional AML, and deep learning. Connection between them is this. Next, recent advanced LLMs for advanced information extraction is, for suppose, the connection between them or NLP. It's a role, the broad field enabling computers to process human language. Language models are core NLP tools that learning and generating languages patterns. Information extraction, a special NLP task that uses language models to find structured data from the text. Challenges and futures directions was while the progress is rapid, several challenges remain the container of NLP information. Here are the text complexity, accuracy and fidelity, scope and integration. Means text complexity, it turns the unstructured data into structured data, accuracy and fidelity. Accuracy, it transformations, it transfer the information very fastly and quickly. At last, I'm concluding my topic with this natural language processing, which is NLP language models have significantly advanced the field of information extraction, enabling machines to effectively understand, process, and derive structured data from unstructured text. With the rise of the deep learning models such as BRT, GPT, and other transformer-based architectures, the accuracy and the scalability of information extraction systems have improved dramatically. Next, as NLP continues to evolve, the future developments in the language models promise even more context away from the information extraction. Last, I'm concluding my topic with this, which is natural language processing NLP. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity.